Good morning. It's day 2 of travel day to Elkhart, Indiana.
Morning.
Well, I got to start to say that actually we did really good. We woke up at 6 a.m. and got up, got ready, loaded up everything, and we are on the road at 7:06. We've been on the road for a few minutes. So 1 hour, we got everything done, slides in, everything hooked up and on the way. So it's a pretty good start to the morning.
Good start, but I tell you, I'm so freaked out about everything because of everything that happened yesterday. I'm just like, whew. I need a drink.
So we already mentioned that we had a blowout. So one of our brand new tires that we got had a blowout, and we're pretty sure it's due to the valve stem. We have a tire monitoring system on them, the caps, and we think that the plastic valve stems are just not strong enough for them, and that's what happened, because this is the second valve stem we've had an issue with. So I think that's probably, this one was severe because it was a full-on blowout. So that happened yesterday, which we mentioned earlier. But then what else?
Tire pressure monitor system is off.
Oh yes,
and I'm using the old-fashioned method.
Yes,
for the rest of the trip. But
so let's make that 3 things now, because the cover of the water heater fell off while we were driving. But luckily we stopped, but not before we ran over it. So we're trying to fix it now. Yay! All this stuff. Yeah, so taking the channel lock, we bent it back into place and we put it back in and latched it. Somehow the latch came off. That secures it in place, I guess, from vibration. Who knows? Because as everybody knows, we're in a moving tornado or moving hurricane. So,
but that's not all.
That's not all. What else happened?
We landed at Carroll's, got everything set up. I said, let's go ahead and get the air on and the power hooked up, and we'll then go up and walk around the store, because everybody said it was super neat, which it really was. It was a cool place.
I don't think we spent as much money as everybody else did, but we spent a good
I think we were too tired.
Could be.
Anyway, slide 1 out, slide 2, I started moving out, and then I started hearing some crunching, and then psst. Well, the Cokes fell from the shelf down, opened the refrigerator door, which, by the way, now has been off all day. Everything in it was water, melted, spoiled. The Cokes then were on the floor, which the slide crunched, and were now spewing all over the kitchen.
And crunched aluminum cans become razors. So trying to pick them up was
we had
sharp.
to clean all that up, make sure the slides were clear, which they were, well, clear of everything but Coke.
Yeah.
So, needless to say, we got everything hooked up, we took showers, and I think I maybe was able to sit down for 30 minutes before I started falling asleep. But then, all night long, I wondered what time it was. So I should have got up at 4 a.m. and we would have already been halfway.
But he forced himself, and we slept till 6. But I was tossing and turning as well. It wasn't a good night. It was a really stressful first day. But, that's kind of RV life, and that's what we're experiencing. So we're getting all those crazy things that happen out in our first long trip. So that's been fun, I guess.
Today, uneventful. Nothing's going to happen. In fact, Scott promised me nothing would happen today.
So it's on you, Scott. Speaking of that, we have about a 6.5 hour drive today. We are heading up to Mount Vernon, Kentucky, and we're going to stay at the Renfro RV Music Festival RV Park. It says we'll get there around 1:30, but we expect with stops, etc., probably 2:30 maybe. And that's okay for us. We're going to take that and just kind of relax, because we didn't get a lot of that yesterday. And then on Monday, we get up and we have about a 5-hour day to Elkhart. Yay! So we're excited about that. All right, so that's the start. We'll talk to you later.
All my life, I've dreamed of stopping at rest area number 34.
Yay! We're here. So we had a good day today. We were on the road for how long?
Less uneventful.
Less uneventful than yesterday.
9 hours on the road. With stops.
With some stops. And we're in Mount Vernon, Kentucky. We're about 375 miles from Elkhart, which we're heading to tomorrow. But it was an uneventful day considering our day one turned out to be.
Part of me wanted to just keep driving and get to Elkhart.
Which we could have done. That would have been about a 15-hour day if we did it. So I heard Millers in Motion did 14 hours yesterday, so we could have one-upped them by an hour.
But we were tired. My back is killing me from sitting in the truck so much.
Yeah.
Today we had a flapping fender that has actually been a little loose, but I noticed it getting more loose. We pulled over and discovered that the screw had pulled through the plastic, so it was, anyway. So we stopped at a Love's to fill up and hoping we could find some kind of clamp or something to clamp it off, but we couldn't find a place to park at the Love's.
That's true.
So while I was pumping gas, Tony scrounged around in the parking lot and found that somebody had dropped some washers.
A ton of washers were all on the ground.
So anyway, we went about 20 more miles down the road to a rest area, and the washers worked. So
it just gave extra support on top of the plastic to keep it in place.
So that hasn't budged.
Good.
So that was good. We made it. Fortunately, there's been, knock on wood, no traffic.
Yeah. There was a big
southbound
wreck.
bad. But the traffic gods have been good to us. And the weather gods have been good until we got about 15 miles away from here today and the bottom let go. So we were in rain coming down the mountain, coming down a narrow little road. It was like concrete wall, line, us, line, semis. And people just flying. I couldn't even believe it. So anyway, I had no blood to my hands when that was over. But all in all, it was an okay day.
Yeah, except, getting here, being, like you said, had fine weather before we got here. So we had to set up the whole site in the pouring rain. And, but, the truck unhooked with no problem. We got in. We have a couple little things that are going on. We're obviously breaking in the RV. Even though it had a previous owner, it didn't get moved so much. So we're doing all that. All the breaking in and breaking is happening on this trip. So
we discovered a little leak when we landed here today, and we don't know where it's coming from, but
we'll figure it out tomorrow or the next few days while we're in Elkhart.
So hopefully we're ready to get there and see everybody and
relax.
Just
have fun. Yep. So I guess tonight we're just gonna watch a movie and then turn in and get up early and hit the road again.
Be on our way.
Okay. See you soon.
See ya. Bye. Have a good night.